Hi everyone. So now today let us discuss IBPS Clerical Mock Test 1 discussion on quantitative aptitude. So now question number 36 to 70 you have quantitative aptitude. So if you see the first section you have 36 to 40 you have number sets. So 11 missing term 16, 21, 21, 29. If you see here 29, 41, difference is 12, 21, 29, difference is 8, 16, 21, difference is 5. So here difference must be how much? So here difference of difference is 4, here difference of difference is 3, here difference of difference must be 2. Here difference of difference must be 2 means it is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. Here difference 3 means this term has to be 14. 11 plus 3, 14. So answer is 14. Answer is, am I correct? Here how much difference? 4 difference. Here 3 difference. So here should have 2. 2 means here it has to be 3, huh? So 3, here it should have 3. Here it should have 3 means so it has to be 13. It is not 14, it is 13. It is not 14, it is 13. Because 13 plus 3 is 16. 13 plus 3 is 16. Next. Now 18, so it's a decreasing series. 5 divided by 2, 15 divided by 3, 60 divided by 4. This is divided by 5. So from this side divide by 5, from this side into 5. 60 into 5, 300. Now next. 4, 3, 9, 4, 3, 4, 9, 32. If you observe here, 4 into 1, 4 minus 1. 3 into 1 plus 1. 4 into 2. No. So see here, one more logic. This logic is not satisfying. 3 into 2, 6 minus 2. 4 into 3, 12 minus 3. 9 into 4, 36 minus 4. So 32 into 5, 160 minus 5. So answer is 155. Now next one. 100, 150, 375, 1312.5. So what is happening here? The multiplication is happening with a decimal, right? So 100 becomes 150 means it is into 1.5. 150 into 2.5. 150 into 2.5 is 375. Similarly, 1.5, 2.5, it should be 3.5. So it has to be 0.5. Something into 0.5 is 100, that something is 200. 200 into 0.5 is 100, so answer is 200. Now next, 0, 6, 24, 60. If you observe here, it is nothing but 1 cube minus 1, 2 cube minus 2, 3 cube minus 3, 4 cube minus 4. So the answer has to be 5 cube minus 5. 125 minus 5, 120 is the answer. Now next question. See, 41 to 45 is based on DI. Find the average number of books read by ACD in 2005. So how much is the average? So you can see the A is 70 and C is 90 and D is how much? Less than 50, 48. So this divided by 3. So how much you are going to get? 70, see 70 or 70 more than, it is more than 70 or 72. So 70 plus 50, 120 plus 90, 210 by 3, which is 70. 70 is the average of A, C and D. These three average is 70. So option B is correct. Now next. Find the ratio of books read by B and C together in 2005 to A and D together in 2006. B and C. In 2005, the sum is how much? It is 60 plus 90 divided by A and D. A and D in 2006. A it is 90, D it is 70. So 90 plus 70. So 150 by 160, which is 15 is to 16. Option A is correct. Next. Books read by A and D together in 2005. A and D together in 2005 is how much? 72 plus 48. 72 plus 48, 150. Okay. Books read by C is how much? 90. 150 more than 90 by how much? 60. 60 by 90 into 100, which is 32 ja 33 ja. So 2/3 means how much? 66, 2 by 3 percentage. Now next question. Books read by A and C together. A and C together in 2005. 72 plus 90 is how much more or less than books read by B and D in 2006. B it is 78 and D it is 70. So 72 plus 90, 162. 162 minus 148, difference is 14. So answer is 14. Next, books read by B and C in 2006. B and C in 2006, it is 60 and 70, 60 and how much? Books read by B and C together. B and C together in 2006 means it is how much? It is 78 plus 72 is what percentage of books read by B in 2005? It is 60. 60. So 78 plus 72 is 150. 150 is what percentage of 60? So you will get the answer 62.5 is 150. So answer is 250%. So option C is correct. Next. Now questions based on simplification, you have 1728. 1728 means 12 cube. Right? So 12 cube. 36 into 2 is 72. Right? So I can write it as, so 12, see here I am just ignoring the decimals because here you have two decimals, here also you will get two decimals, those two will get cancelled. So I am taking 1728, 12 into 12 into 12 divided by x into 36 into 2, 72 is equal to 200. Okay. Now how much? 72 2 is 144. Now how much you are going to get? X is equal to how much you are going to get? 200 are 200. So x should be 0.12. 0.12. Option is D. Option is D. Next. Now question number 47. 486 into 486 divided by x into 7392 divided by 66 is equal to 1008. So if you see here, what can be the observation? 486 by question mark. So how much you are going to get? Is there any kind of thing you can do? 66 how many times? 66 one times, 66 7 9, 66 one times, 66 two times. So I can say my x value would be how much? 112 9 times. 112 9 times. So x would be 486 by 9, 54. So answer is 54. Answer is 54. Next, 14 2 by 7 percentage means 1 by 7th. 1 by 7th of 4200 root 57 divided by root 576 is 24 is equal to how much? X power 1 by 2. X power 1 by 2, that is root x. It is x power 1 by 2, x power 1 by 2. Okay. So now what you are going to get? 7 600s are 24, 25s are. So x should be 25 square, which is 625. So answer is 625. Next question. So if you see 3 2s are 6, 2 2 cancel. Now 5 18s are 90, 7 8s are 56, 56 18s are 56 18s are how much it is? 56 18s are, it is 1008, 1008. Now next, so here it is 5 power 5 into 10 power 5 into 10 power minus 2. It is 5 power 4 into 10 power minus 2. So you got 10 power minus 4. It is 5 square power 10 power minus 1. So what you are going to get now? 5 square means 5 square will cancel. Okay, so it is 5 into 5 square, 5 cube into 10 power minus 3. So 0.125, 0.125 is the answer. Next, 1496 divided by 17. 1496 divided by 17 is equal to x percentage of 220, If you see here 0 0 cancel and 22 6 are 132, 22 7, 22 6 are 132. 132 means 17 is left. 22 8s are 17 4s are. So x is equal to 40. X is equal to 40. Next, 36 percentage of 180. 36 percentage of 180 divided by 0.4. So 36 percentage of 180 divided by 0.4. 0.4 means 4 by 10. So 2 zeros cancel. Now 4 9s are 18 9s are how much? 162. So answer is option D. Next, 0.08 percentage. 0.08 percentage of this value. So 2 zeros will cancel. So 0.08 into 555. 0.08 into 555 minus 16.4. So how much you are going to get here? So 500 into 8, 4,400 4,440. 4,440 into 0.01. You will get 44.4. 44.4 minus 16.4. You will get 28. 28 is the answer. Otherwise, you can also check the digital sum. Check the digital sum. 5 3 is 15. 15 means digital sum 6. Here 6 into 8. 6 into 8 48. 48 means 4 plus 8 12. 12 means 3 is digital sum. 6 plus 4 10. 10 means 1 plus 1 2. 3 minus 2. The final answer digital sum has to be 1. Where you are getting digital sum 1? Only for 28. Only for 28 digital sum is 1. That's the reason the answer is 28. Okay. Next. Here also you can check the digital sum. Check the digital sum. So here 8 6 is 48. 48 means 3. 3 into 7. 21. 21 means 3. And this 2 plus 2. 4 coming this side. 7. 7 should be the digital sum. Where you have 7 digital sum. 7 digital sum where you have, if you can check, where you have digital sum 7. So 8 plus 6. Am I correct? Am I correct or not? 3 plus 5, 8. 8 into 6, 48 means 12 means 3. 3 into 7 is 21. 21 means 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. So which is the correct answer? Which is the correct answer? Digital sum, is it not satisfying? Is it plus or into? 35% of 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 into 6 is 48. 8 into 6 is 48. 48 means 4 plus 8, 12. 12 means 3. 3 into 1 plus 6 is 7. 3 into 7 is 21 means 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 4 has to be 7 now. 7 is not coming anywhere. 8 plus 6, 14. So answer is coming 862. It is satisfying. It is satisfying. 862 is satisfying. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. 16 means 7 digital sum. 7 digital sum satisfying. If you cannot do like that, then the normal procedure, what? 35% of 150 into 16. So 35 into 1.5 into 16 plus 22 is the answer. So 15, 16 ja how much? 240. 240 means 24. 24 into 35. 24 into 35 is 840. 840 plus 22, 862. In this way also you can do. Next. The last one from simplifications. 3080 plus 6160. 3080 plus 6160 divided by how much? Would be 330. If you here also you can apply digital sum. Okay, 3080 plus 6160 is equal to 330 into x. Okay, this is the thing. Now if you see here, definitely 3 plus 8, 11, 11 means 2, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 1, 13 means 4. So 2 plus 4, 6 is the digital sum here. So here already you have 6. Already you have 6. So you must multiply with what? 1. Where you have digital sum 1 here. 1 you have only here. 2 plus 8, 10 means 1. So the answer is 28. Answer is 28. 28 is the answer. It is by using digital sum. Otherwise 3080 plus 6160. If I add these two, I will get 9240. 9240. 9240 divided by 330 is your answer. 0 cancel. 33 2s are 66. Remainder is 26. 264. 33 8s are. So the answer is 28 you have got. So the answer is option C. Option C. Now next. Difference of the compound interest received in first year and second year at 20% per annum. At compound interest is 1200. Then find the sum. So see here, first year if it is 20%, second year on 20% would be 4. The difference is 4. This difference is 4. This 4% is given as 1200. Okay, then the principal 100%. 4 3s are 12. 100 3s are 300. 2 zeros. So answer is 30,000. Answer is 30,000. Then next. Find the total distance covered by a boat in each upstream and downstream in 7 hours. If the speed of the boat in still water is x and speed of current is given. So x is given, y is given. So downstream speed is x plus y 24. Upstream speed is 21 minus 80. 21 minus 3 18. Total distance is equal to speed into time. Total time taken is 7 hours. So distance is average speed 2 into 2xy. 2xy divided by x plus y. 24 plus 18 42. 7 6 are 6 4s are. So 2 4s are what? 18 4s are 72 2s are 144. 144 kilometer. Am I correct? 144. 144 is the distance. Am I correct or not? What are the distances I have got? 18 and 24. So here answer is 144. Find the total distance covered by a boat in each upstream and downstream in 7 hours. In 7 hours. Okay. So here it has not said The equal distance is covered. He has not said equal distance is covered. So in downstream, it is traveling 7 hours. In upstream also, it is traveling 7 hours. So 24 into 7 plus 18 into 7. So 168 plus 136, 126. So what is the value you are going to get? 294. 294 kilometer. It is not asked like this. It is downstream, it is upstream. Same distance is traveled is not given. In downstream, it is covering with this speed for 7 hours. With upstream for 7 hours. Then what is the entire distance covered? Entire distance covered during downstream and upstream together. That is 294. Option B is correct. Next. Ratio of income of A and B is 5:9. If the expenditure of A is 3/8 of his income and expenditure of B is 4/9 of his income, then find the sum of and the sum of their saving is for what? For 1950. Then find the difference of their income. Difference of their income 8972. 72. So the traditional procedure I am not doing. So the ratio of the incomes of A and B. The ratio of the incomes of A and B. I am taking as, okay, 5. Expenditure of A is 3/8 of his income. Expenditure of B is 4/9 of his income. So what I am taking as, this is 8 9s are 72. 72 into 5, how much? 72 into 5 is 360. Okay, I am taking 360 as A's income, and B's income is 9 into 72. 9 into 72 is 648. Okay, these are A's income, 5:9 ratio. Incomes. Now expenditure of B. Expenditure of incomes and now expenditures. 3/8. 3/8 is expenditure. 3/8 is expenditure means 1/8 is 45. So 3/8 means 45 into 3, 135. The remaining is saving. 360 minus 135, it is 225 is his saving. And here 4/9. 1/9 is how much? 1/9 is 72. 1/9 is 72. 4/9 is 4 into 72, 288. So it is how much? 360. The difference in savings, sum of their savings is given as 1950. Sum of their savings here, how much we got? 360 plus 225. Sum of these two is 585. 585. Sum of their savings is 585. This 585 is given as 1950. 1950. Then difference of their income. Difference of their income is how much? 648 minus 360. 648 minus 360 is nothing but 8 minus 0, 8. 14 minus 6, 8. 5 minus 3, 2. So 288 would be how much? This is the answer. So if you simplify this, you will get 288 into 1950 divided by 585. 585. So how many times you are going to get? Simplify and tell me. You will get the answer required difference. Difference of their incomes you will get as how much? So 5 plus 8. 13 plus 5, 18. 8 plus, so I can say it is usual by 9. 9 how many times? 32 times. 9 how many times? 9 5s are. 9 6s are. 54. 65 times. Now 64, 65, 30 times. 32 into 30 is 960. So answer is 960. Answer is 960. Next, A alone can do a work in 12 days. A and B can do that work in 7.5 days. Find the time taken by C to do that work. If C takes 3 days more than that of B, B alone can do the work in how many days? 12 into 7.5 by 12 minus 7.5, x5 by x minus 5, which is 20. So C alone takes 20 plus 3, 23 days. 23 days is the answer. Next. Ratio of base and perpendicular side of a right angle triangle are in the are 3:4. Okay, 3:4. 3 parts, 4 parts. And its base is equal to the side of a square. Side of a square having area 81. Area 81. Square area 81 means side would be 9. So 3 parts is 9. So 4 parts would be 12. Find the perimeter. So if this would be how much? Root of 9 square plus 12 square, which is 15. So 15 plus 9, 24. 24 plus 12, 36 is the perimeter. Next, questions based on quadratic. So here you will get x as 5 comma 8. Here 2 15s are 30. You are going to get y as see 3 5s are 15. So you will get 3 comma minus 5 by 2. So what can be said? Definitely x is more than y. X is more than y. X is more than y or not? 5 is there, 8 is there. So x more than y. X more than y. Next. Second question. 5 6 are 30. 30 you have to get, and the sum has to be 17. So it is 15 2s are. So I will take x as how much? 15 by 5, 3 minus 3 because both are positive. So, and the other is minus 2 by 5, and y 2 12s are 24. 24 means you will get 24 is what? 24 8 3s are 8 by 2 4 minus 4 comma minus 3 by 2. So what you can say now? Minus 3 is greater than minus 4. Okay, but minus 2 by minus 3 is less than minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. So that's the reason the relationship can't be established. Option E. Next, 7 10s are 70. 17 means 14 5. So you will get x as 2 comma 5 by 7. Okay, then y 8 3 is 24. 8 3 is 24. 12 and 2. 12 and 2 means you are going to get minus 3 by 4 comma 1 by 2. So now x2 is 2 is greater than this, and this 5 by 7 is 5 by 7 greater or not? Greater. So both these values are greater than this. So answer is x greater than y. Option C. Option C. Sorry, x greater than y. X greater than y is option A. Next. So here x square minus x is 3 comma 5, and y is equal to y square. Y is equal y square minus 3y plus 2. So y is equal to 1 comma 2. Definitely x is more than y. So option A. Then 65. So 3 4s are 12. Minus 3 minus 4. So you will get x as 4 by 3 comma 1. And y as how much? 2 10s are 20 minus 11 comma minus 9. So you will get how much? Am I correct or not? 2 5s are 20. 5 minus 5 minus 4. Minus 5 minus 4 means you will get 5 by 2 comma 4 by 2, which is 2. 5 by 2 comma 2, 4 by 3 comma 1. So you can say 4 by 3 is less than 5 by 2. 1 is less than. So x is less than y. X is less than y means option C. Next, a person travels half of the distance at the speed of x km per hour and the remaining half of the distance at 4x km per hour. Find the value of x if the average speed is. If the average speed is how much? 36.8 kilometer per hour. So the total distance, so already it is given. Actually, see the average speed formula is 2xy by x plus y. X plus 4x is 5x. Okay, x is cancelled throughout. So 2 4s are 8. Okay, so you need to find out the value of x. This value is given as 36.8. That implies, so 1x cancel throughout. So 2 by 5. 2 by 5. 2 4s are 8. 8x is equal to 36 5 is 180. 184 you are going to get. So 8 how many times? 8 23 times. So x is 23. X is 23. Next, A, B, C invested in the ratio 7:8:5 in a business. They got an annual profit of 1,36,800. If A and C withdrew their capital at the end of 3 months and 7 months respectively, then find the difference between A and C shares. So A is invested 7 for 3 months, B 8 for 12 months, C 5 for 7 months. So now from this you will get 21 is to 96 is to 35. Okay, the total annual profit is how many parts? 96, 21 plus 35, 56. 96 plus 56 is 152. This 152 parts is 1,36,800. Thereby, the difference between A and C is how much here? 31 and 21 difference is 14 parts. 14 parts is how much? So, if you see here, 2 you will get 2 into 4 you will get 8 here. So, into 4, 4 into 4, the last non-zero has to be 6. Non-zero you have 6 only in one option. So, answer is 12600. 12600. Next, a retailer sold one article at 33.33% profit and another at 100% profit. Find his overall profit percentage. The selling price of both the articles is same. Both the articles are same. So both the articles are same. So I am taking, for example, the first one is also sold at 300. Both the articles selling price is same. Selling price I am taking as 300 in first case, 300 in second case. So after 33.33% profit, it is 300. So 4 parts is 300. Yes or no? So are you following or not? So how much has to be this one? 225 must be the cost price. Must be the cost price in first case. And second case, after 100% profit, it is 300. So it has to be 150. So now the question is, retail, now find his overall profit percentage. So 225 plus 150, how much? 375 is the overall cost price and 600 is the overall selling price. Thereby 225 is the overall profit. This 225 is what percentage of 375? 375. If you simplify, how much you are going to get? It is 75 3s are, it is 75 5s are. 3 by 5 means how much? 60%. So 60% is the answer. Okay, next. A mixture has milk and water in the ratio 4:1. When 50% of mixture is taken out and replaced by 24 liters of water, then the ratio of milk to water in the mixture becomes 1:1. Okay, so find the initial quantity of mixture. What is the initial quantity of mixture? Please see here. See, I am taking the first option. So in 84:1, 85 parts is 5 parts is 80. 5 parts is 80 means each part is 16, 64 and 16. Now 50% of mixture is taken. When 50% of mixture is taken, 40 is taken. Out of 40, again 4 is to 1, 5 parts 40. So 1 part has to be 8, 4 parts has to be 32. And replaced with 24 liters of water. 24 liters of water. Now 64 minus 32. 32. 16 minus 8, 8 plus 24, 32. Satisfied. So my answer is correct. By taking options. 4 years ago, Shivam age and Deepak age was 2:3. Okay. Now find the present age of Shivam. Present age of Shivam. So the option for first option 32. First option 32 means 4 years ago it was 4 years ago Shivam 4 years ago Shivam was how much? 28. So all options will say 28. Now see here 4 years ago Shivam and Deepak age was 2:3. So one is 2x, the other is 3x. Now 2x plus 4, 3x plus 4. Ratio of Shivam's age 4 years ago and Deepak's age 5 years hence. 5 years hence would be 3x plus 9. Because after now 4 years ago it is 2x, 3x. Okay. Now it is 2x plus 4 and 3x plus 4. After 5 years 2x plus 9 and 3x plus 9. But it is asked for Shivam's age 4 years ago 2x and Deepak's age 5 years hence. This is the 8:15. 8:15. Then find the present age of Shivam. Find the present age of Shivam. So 2x plus 4 would be how much is the question. So now if you see here 30x minus 16x. 30x 15 into 2. 30 minus 24. 30 minus 24 is how much? 6x is 72. So 6x is 72 means x is how much? 12. You need 2x plus 4. 2 into 12, 24 plus 4, 28. 28 is the answer. 28 is the answer. So you can go through options also. The present age of Shivam is how much? 32, first option. Then 4 years ago it was 28. It is 28 means 2 14s are 2 14s are 22. 2 14s are, it has to be 3 14s are 42 plus 9 51. So you can say 32 plus 4 36 and 51. They are not in the ratio 8:15. So first option is not correct. If you see second option, 4 years ago he will be 20. Now it is given present age is how much? 28. Present age is 28 means 4 years ago 24. 24 divided by, so if 2 parts 24, if 2 parts 24, 3 parts will be 36. 36 plus 9 45. So 3 8s are 3 15s are satisfied. So 8:15, the ratio will satisfy when option B. Option B. Next one. So this is the arithmetic quantitative aptitude part in your IBPS Clerk mock test 1 in the Super 20 series. So again we will meet with the next one more video. Okay, thank you so much.